If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.